Greetings, everybody. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel, Rob K Reacts. I'm Rob K, and I react to music. And we are doing a link and sync Reactor Hub reaction right here with Radiohead. This is a request coming in from my man Jazz, my first patron over on Patreon. Thanks, bro. Loving the support, loving the music, loving the stuff you provide me music-wise. It's been outstanding. Loving it. By all means, guys, check out his playlist in my channel, man. One of the perks you get for being involved in that situation with me in regards to reactions. So yeah, you're gonna need to click one of them two links in the description box down below if you're new to the link and sync format. I just felt that the last second I needed to go this route with Radiohead. Again, this is a very recent video in their channel in regards to what I do here on YouTube in regards to reacting. So just to be safe, I thought I'd run a nice link and sync and get a chance again to introduce the Reactor Hub to your phone or mobile on Android or PC, laptop, baby. Check it out. Click one of them two links. I'll do a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Go for the link and sync link. When I say go, you hit play as I'm hitting play on the video, and we'll listen to it. It's audio only. And then the Reactor Hub link, just click that, opens to upload videos on your screen, off and rolling. Start mine, kick it into gear. Got dark mode now. It's outstanding. Gioli, thank you for the update on that big time. So I'm ready to roll. Ready to do my countdown. There's a little bit of Radiohead coming in from my man Jabs. My window is open. Here we go with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. The tune is called Jigsaw Falling Into Place. Nice sound, clean. Not a sound I'm familiar with for Radiohead. I don't know a lot of their library, but got a great groove to a beat. Great bass line. I hear you back there. And we don't need to stop. It's just, ooh. Nice sound. Great song. What a great sound. Was not expecting this. This has really been surprising and I'm loving it. Wow, great. First time hearing this tune, man. Outstanding. Like, really? And that will end it there now. But yeah, man, what a great sound. Was not expecting that. Was maybe thinking a little something more along the line what I may be familiar with the band, knowing 4 or 5 of their tunes from the club or the radio days. But yeah, that was something like, you go deep into a Rush album, find that tune not many people know about, and it's like, whoa, you just fall in love with it, man. It could be something like that with Radiohead. Great tune, man. Jabs coming through strong again, man, with the link and sync, right? Reactor Hub introduction to Radiohead. Hope you enjoyed that. It's the best way to do these, honestly, in regards to, I don't stop the video. Usually play the best video, with, but the Radiohead gets the view, which is great. Their channel gets the view. No copyright issues. It's all good, man. Reactor Hub works great on your phone, your PC. Check it out. Let me know. Gotta roll. Hope you enjoyed that, man. Again, outstanding. Wow. Radiohead. Great sound. Jabs coming through with another Patreon request, man. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it big time. We'll be back some more real soon. You can bank on that. Check me out online, Twitter and Twitch. Usually pretty active. Going to be streaming full time next week. Check it out. Check the schedule out at the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. Love y'all, man. Peace out.